If you would like to get this look, keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khylani, aka the Star Girl, and I am filming a drum roll please makeup tutorial. I'm about to show you how to beat your Mayweather your face, or Tyson it, whichever one. I'm back. So my bandana once again, and let's get started. We're starting off with the brows first. I'm using Anastasia. Put the concealer on my finger. Booyah. With the concealer. Girls that be doing their makeup in these small compact mirrors like this, well, it's a highlight, but it has a mirror. I applaud you, shoot, because I really could not see. Now we will start eyeshadow. It's Ultimate shadow palette. So now we're gonna cut the crease. Okay. I'm going to go in with my Huda Desert Dusk palette, and we're going to use the color Desert Sand. LOL. Desert Sand. So we're going to go right back to our green, and we're going to take a smaller brush to get on the outside. Okay, we're just going to go on the outside of it. In the mood for some glitter. I have my handy dandy Fenty Beauty palette. Once again, I have our NYX glitter glue to outline up here. Going to outline it basically. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. Going to use Sunburst. We're using Sunburst, and I'm gonna use this flat brush like that. See? Go right back in with the green. Just saw if I want a bit more darker. We're gonna go in with Eden. Right here, Eden. Back to my Fenty Beauty palette. I'm gonna put some green on there. Extraterrestrial. I'm gonna use my finger once again. Go in again with the gold. Sunburst, I believe. It is time for foundation. NARS medium dark. I don't use a fancy name brand mascara. This is actually my mom's mascara. I just really liked it. She got it from the beauty supply store, and it's mascara, water resistant. Literally what it says. I put lashes on, so it really doesn't matter what kind of mascara I use. I just stop it where my eyeshadow stops right here, like this line. Been using strap lash adhesive. Lashes like the whole time I've been doing makeup. Only twice I've put mascara on them, because I usually feel like it's doing too much to them, because the eyelash already is extra, and then when you add the extra mascara on top of the extraness, is just extra, 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 extra. Read all about it. But I'm not saying you can't be extra, 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 read all about it, because I'm extra, 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 read all about it. But you put mascara on your eyelashes, do you, boo, girl? Shoot. I like the extra, 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 read all about it people, because I'm that type of person. Okay, I'm back. Let's put some mascara on the bottom lashes. Now we're going to highlight. It's my favorite part. When I highlight, I highlight. Wow. Okay. Oh! Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Took my bandana off. Put your frames on, girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and drumroll please, subscribe. Tune, keep coming back to watch more amazing content because it's just going to get better and better from here on out. I am going to do a Valentine's special. Stay tuned for that one. I'm also going to do some other crazy makeup looks. If you want to see them, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, like, so you'll know when my big old bean head is uploading or has uploaded. Like, comment, subscribe when I'm watching my videos. Like, I appreciate that so much. Like, you don't know how much it means to me. Thank you so much, and I just hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will catch y'all later.